the People's Government, the incoming Governor, Honorable Pamela S. Maricuatro.
But I was just thinking of the responsibility that is now in my hands. With sincerest gratitude and humility, I accept who works side by side with all of you, who leads with integrity, transparency, and heart. Dungang taong tanan, we will build a Cebu that leaves no one behind. We will be a Cebu that empowers communities, protects our environment, support the youth, and open opportunities for everyone. We are building not just a new administration, we are rebuilding trust in government. To the incoming employees and career officers, you are not being judged by who appointed you. You are being empowered by what you choose to do now. To the outgoing team, we thank you for what was done right, but we also ask for accountability where things must be set right. This is our shared province. Let's move forward. Let's do it properly. Today, we officially begin the transition to a new kind of governance, one that is people. As your people's governor, I will never lead by fear. I will lead by example. I will never govern by favoritism. I will govern by fairness. Because this capital must no longer be a palace of privilege. It must become a home for the people. A government for the people, by the people, and with the people. We must put God first and Allah for our Muslim brothers here before we can love our province and ourselves better. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagsalig. This is our victory, Cebu. Your voices build this mandate. Now help me build the future. Padayon ta, Cebu. Padayon ta, mga Cebuanon. Kay ako din, ako yun. We have much to do, so let's do it together. And may God and Allah bless us all.